A rainforest is an area of tall, mostly evergreen trees and a high amount of rainfall. Rainforests are Earth's oldest living ecosystems, with some surviving in their present form for at least 70 million years. They are incredibly diverse and complex, home to more than half of the world's plant and animal species, even though they cover just 6% of Earth's surface. This makes rainforests astoundingly dense with flora and fauna. A 10 square kilometer, 4 square mile, patch can contain as many as 1,500 flowering plants, 750 species of trees, 400 species of birds, and 150 species of butterflies. Rainforests, those emerald realms of unparalleled biodiversity, stand as the epitome of nature's grandeur and complexity. Spanning the equatorial belt, these lush ecosystems weave an intricate tapestry of life, encompassing a staggering array of flora and fauna within their dense canopies and vibrant undergrowth. From the Amazon basin in South America to the Congo basin in Africa, and the Southeast Asian rainforests, each holds its unique charm and contributes to the global ecological equilibrium. These verdant expanses are not merely collections of trees, they are intricate communities where every leaf, insect, bird, and mammal plays a vital role in sustaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. As one steps into the heart of a rainforest, a symphony of life unfolds. Towering trees, some reaching heights that seem to touch the sky, create a multi-layered canopy that filters sunlight, creating an enchanting play of shadows and light. This canopy is home to countless species of birds, from the resplendent quetzal to the raucous toucan, their vibrant plumage contrasting with the deep green foliage. Orchids and bromeliads adorn the branches, painting the air with a sweet fragrance and providing perches for elusive tree frogs and insects. Beneath the canopy lies the understory, a realm of perpetual twilight where unique plants adapted to lower light conditions thrive. Dappled sunlight filters through the leaves, illuminating the intricate patterns of ferns, mosses, and the occasional bloom of a ground-level flower. It is here that many species of insects, including the iridescent butterflies and stealthy ants, go about their daily activities. Meanwhile, the forest floor, often considered the rainforest's bustling metropolis, hosts a mosaic of life, from scurrying rodents and reptiles to the elusive big cats and tapirs, all intricately connected in the dance of predator and prey. Yet, the real marvel of rainforests lies in their extraordinary biodiversity. These ecosystems are Earth's treasure troves, containing a substantial portion of the planet's known species. The variety of plant life is astonishing, from towering hardwoods like mahogany and kapok to a mind-boggling array of medicinal plants and rare orchids. In turn, this abundance of plant life sustains an incredible diversity of animal species, including iconic inhabitants like jaguars, anacondas, and vibrant poison dart frogs. Moreover, rainforests are pivotal players in the global climate system. The dense vegetation not only absorbs carbon dioxide through photosynthesis, but also releases vast amounts of oxygen, earning rainforests the moniker lungs of the earth. Their role in regulating temperature, influencing rainfall patterns, and preventing soil erosion is vital for the well-being of the entire planet. However, this natural wonder is facing unprecedented challenges. Deforestation, driven by logging, agriculture, and urbanization, poses a grave threat to the delicate balance of rainforest ecosystems. As vast tracts of land are cleared, not only do countless species lose their habitats, but the intricate relationships that sustain life within these ecosystems are disrupted. Climate change further exacerbates these challenges, altering the delicate balance that has evolved over millions of years. Conservation efforts have become critical in the face of these threats. Protected areas, sustainable logging practices, and community-based initiatives are essential to ensure the continued existence of these invaluable ecosystems. The indigenous communities that have lived in harmony with rainforests for generations often play a crucial role in their preservation, providing traditional knowledge and sustainable practices that can guide modern conservation efforts. In conclusion, rainforests are not merely geographical entities, they are living, breathing entities that shape the very essence of life on our planet. As we strive to understand, appreciate, and protect these majestic ecosystems, we also acknowledge the profound responsibility we hold for the preservation of biodiversity, the mitigation of climate change, and the safeguarding of the Earth's ecological balance. In the verdant embrace of the rainforest, we find not only the beauty of nature, but a call to action to ensure the survival of one of our planet's most extraordinary wonders. Tropical rainforests provide timber as well as animal products such as meat and hides. Rainforests also have value as tourism destinations and for the ecosystem services provided. Many foods originally came from tropical forests and are still mostly grown on plantations in regions that were formerly primary forest. Also, plant-derived medicines are commonly used for fever, fungal infections, burns, gastrointestinal problems, pain, respiratory problems, and wound treatment. At the same time, rainforests are usually not used sustainably by non-native peoples, but are being exploited or removed for agricultural purposes. Further information: deforestation in Southeast Asia, deforestation in Madagascar, and deforestation of the Amazon rainforest. Satellite photograph of the haze above Borneo and Sumatra, September 24, 2015. Tropical and temperate rainforests have been subjected to heavy legal and illegal logging for their valuable hardwoods and agricultural clearance/burn, clear-cutting, throughout the 20th century, and the area covered by rainforests around the world is shrinking. Biologists have estimated that large numbers of species are being driven to extinction, possibly more than 50,000 a year. At that rate, says E.O. Wilson of Harvard University, a quarter or more of all species on Earth could be exterminated within 50 years, due to the removal of habitat with destruction of the rainforests. Another factor causing the loss of rainforest is expanding urban areas. Littoral rainforest, growing along coastal areas of eastern Australia, is now rare due to urban development to accommodate the demand for sea change lifestyles. Forests are being destroyed at a rapid pace. Almost 90% of West Africa's rainforest has been destroyed. Since the arrival of humans, Madagascar has lost 2/3 of its original rainforest. At present rates, tropical rainforests in Indonesia would be logged out in 10 years, and Papua New Guinea in 13 to 16 years. According to Rainforest Rescue, an important reason for the increasing deforestation rate, especially in Indonesia, is the expansion of oil palm plantations to meet growing demand for cheap vegetable fats and biofuels. In Indonesia, palm oil is already cultivated on 9 million hectares and, together with Malaysia, the island nation produces about 85% of the world's palm oil. A natural rainforest emits and absorbs vast quantities of carbon dioxide. On a global scale, long-term fluxes are approximately in balance, so that an undisturbed rainforest would have a small net impact on atmospheric carbon dioxide levels, though they may have other climatic effects, on cloud formation, for example, by recycling water vapor. No rainforest today can be considered to be undisturbed. Human-induced deforestation plays a significant role in causing rainforests to release carbon dioxide, as do other factors, whether human-induced or natural, which result in tree death, such as burning and drought. Some climate models operating with interactive vegetation predict a large loss of Amazonian rainforest around 2050 due to drought, forest dieback, and the subsequent release of more carbon dioxide. Several countries, notably Brazil, have declared their deforestation a national emergency. Amazon deforestation jumped by 69% in 2008 compared to 2007's 12 months.